All right, so this is going to be so crazy. Like I mentioned, it's at a fraction of the cost. It's at a fraction of the cost. Not many resources are needed. Okay. And we're going to be putting some major big questions out here and seeing how these things compare. All right, we're going to be looking at all of them, seeing exactly how they compare and see what they deliver on. See if it's overhyped. So we're going to find out. We're going to be doing a live demo. I have a list of prompts in different categories that I want to put to the test. All right, and we're going to be pulling up DeepSeek. We're going to be pulling up ChatGPT. And we're going to be seeing exactly how they compare. Now, what I tell everybody also, the big thing about any industry, it's not always best to be the best. It's better to be first. Okay? So, ChatGPT, hands down, okay, they were first in putting out this type of technology, this model. Now, of course, as we all know in any industry, things just tend to get better over time, okay? Whether it's with American-made software or technology, Chinese, the way I look at it, it's all humans, okay? Mankind, all right? So now mankind is going to continuously create this type of technology to be better, okay? So that's the whole point. So let's go ahead and get right into these prompts, man. I got several types of prompts. As you can see, we're going to be putting them from programming, writing, debugging, science. I'm going to start off with the first one here. Let's go to current events. All right. Current events. So what I'm going to do here, for ChatGPT, I'm going to just place them right on in this same exact window here. And we want to see. I like the search feature though. I like that search feature in ChatGPT. And there you go. You could already start seeing it's searching and it's pulling information. I like that. It shows the resources. It's pulling its information from today. All right. Amazing. And what I also like as well, it will read the information to you.
Over the past 6 months, the field of artificial intelligence, AI, has witnessed significant advancements, particularly in the development of more efficient and cost-effective models. DeepSeek's R1 model. In January 2025, Chinese AI startup DeepSeek introduced its R1 model, which matches the capabilities of leading US AI technologies while being developed at a fraction of the cost. This breakthrough has challenged the long-held belief in US supremacy in AI technology and has prompted discussions about the future of AI development. Cite News 11, OpenAI's O3 Mini releases. In response to DeepSeek's advancements, OpenAI announced plans to release a new AI model, O3 Mini, for free. The O3 Mini offers advanced reasoning capabilities comparable to its predecessor models, but at a lower cost and with faster responses. This move aims to make advanced AI more accessible to a broader audience. Cite News 12, debate on AI development approaches. The success of DeepSeek's
with that implementation of being able to search the web, I mean, that changed a lot of things right there. It could pretty much pull in real time just about. All right. Now let's take that same prompt. Let's move over to DeepSeek. And let's drop that exact same prompt inside of DeepSeek. See how the R1 technology model can handle that exact same prompt. And what I want to see is exactly if it's going, it doesn't show any kind of searches or sources that it's pulling from. Okay. But what we could see here, it's giving you a holistic view. And it's giving you the pretty much the news in different fields. Okay. And I like how it's non-biased. I mean, look, they're not, look at this statement. OpenAI GPT-4 has continued to dominate the landscape. And they put that first. All right. So China's model, okay, is not taking ChatGPT's out of the picture, pretty much. You know, it can't take it out of the picture, but I mean, if they decided to, it could, if they programmed it that way. But look how it gave proper credit to ChatGPT. I mean, which to me is amazing. Mentions Google's Gemini model, Claude as well. It goes into different fields, AI and science and medicine, DeepMind's. Look at this, DeepMind's AlphaFold 3 has revolutionized protein structure predictions. I mean, this is crazy. So I like it also. I mean, it's just, to me, from just off of that prompt, it just shows us a different model. It's pretty much still giving great information. So now the next one is going to be a programming in Python prompt. I like that, which has revolutionized anything for programmers or anybody that want to learn programming. You could just about learn any language now at a fraction of the speed that it would take you without this type of technology. All right, so let's go ahead and get this script here. So this is just writing a Python script that fetches real-time stock quotes from an API and saves them to a CSV file. What I'm going to do, instead of this being an API, since we're not going to be hooking up an API access key and anything, we're going to just use Y-Finance library. All right, so we know Y-Finance, that's Yahoo's library for stock quotes and things like that. So we're going to take that prompt and we're going to see exactly how the code comes back. Look at that. ChatGPT, that gets right to it. They pull these proper libraries. Sleeps for 60 seconds and then it repeats. So it pretty much pulls this, looks like, on a minute-to-minute basis. Has your set of stock quotes here, or symbols that it'll be pulling. Creates the file name for you. I mean, this is perfect. And then it runs the program. Okay, so let's take that exact same prompt. Tells you even also the libraries you'll need to install. Walks you through, and then if you have any questions as well, you can just ask it. It'll start rewriting it. It'll start reformulating it. If you want to do different things, change the symbols, it'll do all of that for you. I mean, which is amazing. All right. ChatGPT is really, really good at writing code. Let's close this out. We're going to take that same exact prompt and we're going to drop that into DeepSeek. Oh, here we go. So they go ahead, they tell you the libraries to install. They create the function here. File name, of course, minute intervals. So it's basically creating a function that you would use that'll start running this information in. And then they tell you exactly how it works. Yeah. So right now, from what I'm seeing, they can both code. Okay. They can both code. They both give you proper instructions on exactly how to code if you don't know anything about it. They give you both the libraries, most up to date as far as fetching the information. I'm gonna give both of those a pass, man. Both of those, they are both great on programming. All right, and they're both fast. I mean, of course, if you want to make changes, of course, they'll definitely do some changes if you need. But from what I'm seeing, they both win. They did write the code a little different, but I mean, it's so many ways to code the same thing. Okay. From what I'm seeing, this